Morning. So today we shall begin with today's aspect under the study of F block elements. As we are aware that while studying the lengthened elements where the characteristic electronic subshell was 4f electronic subshell. Based on the preferential occupancy of the incoming electrons, we have seen the electronic configuration of all these elements, after which we have seen the variable oxidation states that the elements that they have shown a common principal or major oxidation state of +3. The common stable principal oxidation state shown by lanthanides is +3 on account of the group valency, as we know. The stabilities of these different oxidation states wholly depends upon the acquiring F0, F7 and F14 configurations respectively. We have seen and we have marked all these oxidation states which are extra stable. Then we have studied about the magnetic properties, where most of the elements from lanthanide series are paramagnetic because they contain one or more unpaired electrons. Only except that of lanthanum and lutetium in +3 oxidation state, they are diamagnetic in nature. After which we have seen the colored properties of lanthanide ions, where we have seen that colored property of lanthanide ions is due to the color that we see through our naked eyes is the color of the transmitted light. So when all the wavelengths are soaked up or absorbed, a particular wavelength that is reflected or transmitted, so the color that we see is a color of the transmitted light. And we know that for every absorbed light, there is a complementary color for the reflected light. And we have seen so many different colors for these lanthanide elements. Then we have studied the lanthanide contraction, where lanthanide contraction is due to the steady decrease in atomic dimensions with the increase of atomic number is known as a lanthanide contraction, or it is simply the shrinkage in the atomic dimensions. So as the atomic number increases, atomic size decreases, and this is due to the addition of electrons takes place to the same shell of electrons, that is 4f, and because of this the nuclear force or nuclear charge increases on the outermost electrons, and hence as 4f orbitals are very poor in shielding effect, so inward pull experienced by the electrons increases as the atomic number increases, and hence size decreases. The metallic character also decreases, electropositivity, IP values, those are also increases. Based on this lanthanide contraction, we have studied how the separation is achieved. As we know, all the lanthanides are occur together, all the 15 members. It is very difficult, or it is next to impossible to separate all the 15 members from one another. So only the modern method of separation of these lanthanides is the ion exchange method, where an aqueous solution of tripositive ions is allowed to pass down through a column containing a cation exchange resin. Ion exchange reaction takes place. That means the lanthanide ions are adsorbed, and this adsorption is based on the size differences. Bigger the size, more will be the adsorption. So lanthanum gets first choice to get adsorbed. In order to have an effective separation of individual members, again buffer solution that is added from the top, which is known as an eluent solution, which makes it possible the easy removal of the individual ions. So when the buffer solution is added, then different colored bands have been obtained on the column itself, and these colored bands are for the different lanthanide ions. So at first, lutetium forms a stable complex with the buffer, that is lutetium citrate is formed. So smaller the size of ion, more will be the stable complex, and these stable complexes are now loosely bound with the resin bed itself, and hence eluted out of the column first, followed by other members in the decreasing order of their atomic numbers, and this we know. So all these parameters, those pertains to the lanthanide elements. So we shall take a closer look of the different applications of these lanthanide elements. So see the slide where I'm going to show you the applications of these lanthanide elements. Here, this we have seen already, that here lanthanide series is there, and today we are also going to study the actinide series also. And here these are the elements from lanthanum to lutetium, that is 57 to 71. This is known as a 4F series, and this is a 5F series. These are the various characteristic features. The occurrence of these lanthanides is not expected. Our study, just now I have told you that the lanthanide contraction is because of shielding effect increases as we go across the period, and all these parameters are true for this lanthanide contraction. Then see here, this is a lanthanum is used in camera lenses amongst the things. So the lens of camera, including nowadays the mobile lenses, those are also contain these lanthanum as an element. Then cerium, it is used in permanent magnets. So where there is a permanent magnets are required, where this manufacturing process involves this cerium. Praseodymium, just a minute. Hello. हो लेक्चर मध्ये अरे अच्छा बर हां हां बर मी थोड्या वेळात येतो. ओके ठीक ओके ओके ठीक आहे ओके. So praseodymium is used in aeroplanes. Then this is again the instrument which is specially designed for the power light. Again, certain instruments which are used to spray certain crops, food giving crops, where this neodymium is used. Then neodymium is also used as a strong magnet, where the audio visual aids are used, where it is neodymium is used. This is again audio. Then europium is used in LED bulbs, which gives glow. Europium is also used in computer hard disks. In addition to which, this neodymium is used in almost all the electronic devices, where this is a desktop. There are certain industrial applications which I have enlisted here. Catalytic converter. Just a minute. So petroleum refining catalysts, 25%, permanent magnets, glass polishing and ceramics, metallurgical processes, and under the phosphorus and other applications, where I have enlisted here all the industrial applications. But here, so I'm sorry students that I have received an important call that I have to leave the Zoom meeting. I will tell you when I will resume my lectures, because I have to go out of station for an important work. Sorry. Thank you very much.